Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever wanted to run multiple operating systems on Linux without all the complicated setup, then today's video is for you. We're going to simplify virtualization with GNOME boxes. So let's dive in. First things first, what is GNOME boxes? Well, it's a lightweight virtualization tool designed for ease of use. Unlike VirtualBox or VMware, GNOME Boxes provides a streamlined experience, making it perfect for beginners or those who just want a quick and hassle-free way to run virtual machines. First, update your system before you begin the installation. First things first, let's install GNOME Boxes. If you're using a GNOME-based Linux distribution like Ubuntu, Fedora, or Debian, you can install it in just a few steps. Just check the command to use for your distribution. If you're using Snap, you can check out the instructions in the video description for various Linux distributions. Once GNOME Boxes is installed, open it from your Applications menu. You'll see a clean and simple ADFID interface. You can check the version you have installed from the About page. These are the keyboard shortcuts you can use when using the app. Now, let's create a virtual machine. Click on the plus button in the top left corner to create a new virtual machine. This will open a drop-down menu with two options: Install from File and Download OS. GNOME Boxes makes it easy to download and install operating systems. You can choose from a list of popular operating systems like Fedora, Ubuntu, or Red Hat. GNOME Boxes will download the ISO file for you. Once it's done, it'll automatically start the installation process. Just follow the on-screen instruction to set up your virtual machine. You can also use your OS image files available on your local machine. Therefore, you don't have to wait for GNOME Boxes to download ISO files. Here, you can adjust RAM and storage settings for a smooth experience. Allocate at least 2 gigabytes of RAM if your system allows, then hit Create and watch GNOME Boxes work its magic. Once your VM is up and running, you can install the guest OS as usual. What's great is that GNOME Boxes automatically enables clipboard sharing and display resizing, so no extra setup is needed. You can also set up shared folders between your host and guest operating systems. This makes it super easy to transfer files back and forth. Just move the installation media to another location or delete it if you no longer need it, because removing the installation media from preferences does not work sometimes. Another cool feature is Snapshots. You can save the current state of your virtual machine and revert back to it later if something goes wrong. It's like a time machine for your VM. And that's it. GNOME Boxes makes virtualization on Linux effortless. Whether you're testing a new OS or running legacy software, it's a fantastic tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. See you in the next one.